So in this video we will know how to export
PDF file from Adobe InDesign. So once we have done all the things in the document and complete design, so just be exporting PDF format. So for exporting, simply have to click on File, and here you can find the option of Export, and you can also use shortcut key Ctrl+E for exporting document into PDF format. Once you will click here, you can simply give the path where you want to keep your PDF file. So just I am selecting desktop. You can also choose another folder or path where you want to place your PDF. Okay, and here you can also rename your PDF file based on your requirement. Okay, and here it is the PDF format. Make sure here should be PDF print only, because here it is also available other format options like EPS, EPUB, JPG, etc. So make sure should be here PDF print only for exporting in PDF format. Okay, so once you have done here the settings, simply have to click on Save. Okay, now you can see here complete exporting PDF setting panel. Okay, so here are some settings which is too much important to know while exporting PDF file from Adobe InDesign. So first of all, this is by default preset which is selected, keep selected is high quality print PDF. Next we have pages. Okay, so here you can see conflicts in range format mode. So if you want to export any specific page numbers like 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, or in range if you want to export like 3 to 5, 6 to 7, 8 to 12, something like this. So you can also give here range. Even though if you want complete all the available pages, simply have to click on all. So it's totally depend upon you. Okay, so first of all I will export file in range. So simply I will select range to 7. Okay, something like this. Next we have hyperlink. Make sure if you have link is available in your file, so keep hyperlinks on, then only your hyperlink will be clickable and you can easily redirect on your provided link website. Okay, next we have marks and bleed. So these are options available, but those all you have to keep it as it is in default format. So next important thing is marks and bleed. So if you want crop marks to see on your PDF pages, just you have to check on this. Even though if you want bleed marks, so you can also check on this. Okay, so it's totally depend upon you. And here it is bleed and slug. So if you want to export your PDF file with bleed and select that is available in your file, so just you have to check it, otherwise you can uncheck. Okay, so these are settings we usually need to do while exporting file into PDF from Adobe InDesign. Once you have done these all things, simply have to click on export. Now you can see file is exporting from here. Now our file got exported. Simply have to come on the desktop and you can see here PDF sample which I have just exported. Simply have to click on this for view it. Now you can see from 2 it has been started because we have just exported the file 2 to 6. Okay, so this is, you can also see the crop marks that is available which I have already selected there, and you can see here it is link is properly clickable, which you can simply click and go on the website which link we have provided. Okay, similarly you can also export all the pages based on your requirements, something like this. Just I am exporting and show you how we can simply have to click on all pages and export. Now you can see all the pages got exported. So it's quite easy for exporting PDF file from Adobe InDesign and use for print. Okay, so hope you got to understand how to export file from Adobe InDesign. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.